Welcome to Tronify Tech. If you think woodworking is all about dusty tools and guesswork, you're about to have your mind completely rebuilt. We're diving into the gear that transforms clumsy cuts into flawless craftsmanship, turns hours of labor into minutes, and makes every project look pro-grade. This is the future of your workshop. Hit subscribe because you won't want to miss a single tool. The Ox Forester Multitool. This isn't just a pry bar, it's a portable logging station. Its ingenious claw design grips logs so you can roll, lift, and position them with insane leverage, saving your back and your time. Need to split? The built-in wedge and hammer head have you covered. It's the one rugged tool that makes processing firewood or clearing land feel almost easy. Once you hook it with the Ox, you'll never drag a log again. CB701 universal bench grippers are about to become your workshop's unsung heroes. These genius pads use a micro suction technology that creates an insane hold on any smooth surface. Melamine, metal, plywood, you name it. Just press them down. They lock your material in place for sawing, routing, or sanding with zero clamping and zero marring. Peel them up when you're done. It's the simplest, most effective way to add instant stability to any bench. Your precision just went way up. The Cigman laser measuring tool, delivering instant, pinpoint accurate readings to the millimeter. Calculate area, volume, and Pythagoras with a tap. It's faster, more accurate, and works solo. No more wrestling with a tape that sags or bends. For layouts, estimating, or just confirming your cuts, this little device is a game changer. Ditch the tape, embrace the laser. Struggling to get perfect 90-degree corners on frames or cabinets? The Octina framing tool is the digital sheriff that brings order to your workshop chaos. This smart square doesn't just give you an angle, it gives you a high-precision digital readout to 1/10 of a degree. Set exact angles for miters, check for perfect squareness across large casework, and ensure everything is dead on before you drive a single screw. It's the confidence boost you need for projects where close enough just isn't good enough. Build it square, build it right, first time. Enter the Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig. This iconic blue tool simplifies strong hidden joints to an absolute science. The integrated clamp secures your workpiece, the hardened steel drill guide guarantees a perfect pocket every time, and the built-in dust collection keeps the mess away. Whether you're building face frames, cabinet boxes, or quick furniture repairs, this jig makes professional strength joints incredibly accessible. It's the foundational tool that unlocks a whole world of clean, fast woodworking. The ToughBuilt folding pole saw is a cutting revelation. Its razor-sharp, triple-ground teeth slice through wood on the pull stroke with astonishing ease and control, leaving a finish so smooth it often needs no sanding. The blade folds safely into its ergonomic handle for pocket-friendly portability. Whether you're doing precision trim work, cutting dowels, or making quick cross-cuts on the job site, this saw makes it feel effortless. You'll reach for it more than you think. The NAACOO heavy-duty laminate roller is the tool that guarantees a flawless, professional bond. This isn't a flimsy hand roller, it's a heavyweight with a solid, knurled steel barrel that applies massive, even pressure. It forces out every trapped air bubble and ensures full adhesive contact from center to edge. The comfort grip handles give you the leverage you need without killing your hands. For countertops, furniture, or any sheet goods, this roller is the final, critical step for a perfect permanent finish. The Kreg Rebel 20-volt Ionic drive pocket-hole joiner kit is an absolute beast. This cordless powerhouse drives perfect, consistent pocket holes at the pull of a trigger. With auto-stop depth control, it combines the drill and driver into one streamlined tool, eliminating bit changes and drastically speeding up production. The Rebel turns a repetitive task into a rapid-fire operation. It's not just an upgrade, it's a total game-changer for high-volume joinery. The Festool Random Orbital sander is here to change that perception forever. This isn't just a sander, it's a dust-extracting, vibration-dampening, finish-perfecting masterpiece. Its brilliant dust collection system keeps your workspace and your lungs clean, while its balanced design and smooth orbit make it feel like an extension of your hand. You get a flawless, swirl-free finish faster, with far less fatigue. It's the tool that makes you actually look forward to sanding. Experience it and you'll understand the hype. The Cordless Drywall cutout tool is pure, unadulterated power and precision. This compact rotary tool spins a sharp bit at high speed, letting you plunge cut perfect rectangles, circles, and shapes in seconds. No more ragged edges or overcut corners. It's ideal for electrical boxes, recessed lights, or plumbing access panels. Cordless freedom means you can use it anywhere. For any renovation or install work, this tool turns a messy chore into a clean, satisfying snap. Getting trim, cabinets, or panels to fit perfectly against uneven walls is a classic headache. The Profiler plus Multifunction Scribing tool is the elegant solution. This clever tool allows you to trace the exact contour of any wavy surface directly onto your workpiece. Just adjust the offset, run it along the wall, and you have a perfect cutting line. It also works as a precision compass, contour gauge, and more. It takes the guesswork and frustration out of achieving those seamless, professional-looking fits. Stop shimming and forcing, start scribing. How many times have you checked for square, only to find out later it was off? The DFM Blue Mini Square tool is the pocket-sized guardian of accuracy. Machined from a single block of hardened steel, its anodized blue blade guarantees a perfect 90-degree angle forever. It's small enough to fit in your apron pocket for constant, quick checks on tool fences, joinery, and assembly. The crisp, easy-to-read markings make it indispensable for layout work. In a world of flex and error, this little square is your unwavering source of truth. Working in your own shadow? The Festool cordless task, light banishes dark corners for good. This isn't a dim shop light, it's a brilliant daylight-balanced LED system that delivers a rainy, even, shadow-free beam exactly where you need it. Magnetic bases and flexible arms let you stick and position it on machines, benches, or assemblies. Cordless and with incredible battery life, it provides pro-grade illumination for detailing, finishing, or any precision task. See every detail in perfect clarity and transform your workspace into a well-lit studio. Angles more complicated than 90 degrees? The multi-angle measuring square ruler is your new geometric master. This clever tool combines a protractor, a tri-square, a miter square, and a ruler into one anodized aluminum package. Quickly find and transfer any angle from 0 to 270 degrees with locking precision. It's perfect for setting up saws, drafting compound miters, or checking odd angles on existing furniture. Is your tool collection a chaotic mess in buckets and bags? The Bucket Boss Bucket Tool Organizer brings instant order to the chaos. This heavy-duty nylon sleeve slips onto any standard 5-gallon bucket, giving you 16+ pockets of various sizes to hold every tool, fastener, and accessory. Now your hammer, tape, pencils, drills, and screws are all visible and within reach. Use the bucket itself for bulky items or waste. It's the simplest, most mobile workshop organization system ever invented. Grab the handle and take your entire organized shop anywhere. Need a clean hole for a pipe, cable, or knob and only have a janky spade bit? A high-quality hole saw set is the clean-cutting powerhouse you need. A good BI metal set slices through wood, plastic, and even thin metal with ease, leaving a perfect, round cutout. The arbor design allows for easy plug removal, and having multiple sizes on hand means you're always ready for any install from door hardware to plumbing. Throw away those ragged burned holes. For installation work, a reliable hole saw set is an absolute non-negotiable. Installing a kitchen countertop and dreading the sink cutout? The Trend Kitchen Countertop Jig makes it router simple. This robust jig system guides your router to create perfectly square or rounded internal cutouts with insane accuracy. Just clamp it in place, set your boundaries, and run your router around the template bushings. It turns a complex, high-stakes operation into a foolproof, repeatable process. Whether it's laminate, wood, or composite tops, this jig guarantees a professional, drop-in fit for sinks and hobs every single time. Do you waste more time setting up work supports and clamps than actually building? The Wolfcraft Master 650 Ergo clamping and working table is your all-in-one solution. This height-adjustable table features integrated, massive clamping surfaces and toggle clamps that hold workpieces of virtually any size rock solid. Use it as an outfeed table, an assembly station, a miter saw stand, or a giant vacuum clamp. It collapses for storage. This table doesn't just hold your work, it revolutionizes your workflow, turning your shop into an efficient, modular workshop. Finally, for the pièce de résistance in precision, the Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square. This is machinist-level accuracy for the woodshop. CNC milled from a single block of aluminum, it provides a dead-nut 90-degree reference on both inside and outside corners. The ingenious folding design protects the critical edges when not in use. It's the ultimate tool for setting up joinery, squaring up assemblies, or transferring perfect lines. For the woodworker who accepts nothing less than perfection, this square is the final word in accuracy. Alright, that's our tour of 20 tools that can seriously upgrade your woodworking game. Which one has you ready to remodel your workshop? Was it the laser fast measuring, the joint-making mastery of the Kreg tools, or the flawless accuracy of the premium squares? Drop a comment below and tell me your top pick. Hit that like button and subscribe to Tronify Tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.